Hello, what's going on guys? My name is Kyle and welcome back to the channel where today, as you can see, we are on Minecraft and I'm just going to be showcasing a redstone contraption I recently came up with yesterday, as a matter of fact. So I had an idea. Would it be possible to have a rotating window of sorts in Minecraft that is fully automated depending on whether it is day or night? And thus I got to testing. And yeah, it kind of started off like this. You got your simple piston feed tape that's fully automated, but then I came across a bit of an issue. How do you make it stop? So with a bit of testing on the flatland, I managed to come up with a system that semi-worked. This is just a prototype of sorts. And what I did was I put sensors in that would sense whether it's day or night. And I suppose that in a way I kind of need to change both of them tonight. I can't quite remember. Anyways, thing about this is that depending on whether it's day or night, the stone will move around to one of the sensors, letting the redstone system through, stopping one of these. But then I came across yet another problem. How would you get it restarting again afterwards? And that's the problem that got me onto this one. This is a raised version of this. And yeah, you're soon going to see when the sun sets exactly how this works. So I'll position myself about here. You can see I've got a sensor there that is currently turned on but not functioning, and a sensor down here that is currently turned on but not, well, but is functioning. As you can see, the piston here is extended, which is stopping the piston feed. So when the sun sets, you'll be able to see exactly what's going on. Okay, so the sun is down and the moon should be coming up. So this sensor should be turning off, and there it goes. As you can see, the stone is now moving around from one sensor to the other one up here. So when it gets up here, this piston should extend and stop the system. And just like that, it stopped. So now the stone is acting as a window covering everything. And I figured out how to do this on a bit of a larger scale. So I'm just going to give the one behind me a bit of time before I actually showcase it for you. And there, it's done. So as you can see, it's currently night, the stone is covering it, and the daylight sensor is up here. So when I change the time to day, redstone signal will power through here, triggering the pistons and setting it on its work. And extremely proud of this. Because the original plan here was to put the mountain, a modern house, and have sort of farming area for the modern house. By the way, when the redstone torch there, the system will shut off, as it just has. So yeah, as you can see, it's a bit of a simple complex system that's, put simply, just using piston redstone repeaters to extend the system, also using pistons with redstone blocks to restart the system. Yeah, so I'm going to go inside really quick. Anyways, as I said, I went from originally building a modern house of sorts, where if you just traverse in, it looks all modern, it looks all nice. And I came up with the idea, whilst just building, I could have a folding window. So, yeah, I built a set of stairs up here, which is meant to lead to a bedroom of sorts. And from the inside, I'll change it to night. Everything should trigger. That's just turned off, which means everything else is turned on. And from here, the glass all moves around. to create, well, something I am extremely proud of. As you can see, you got a light source behind you so that you don't have zombies spawning in here when you're asleep. When it gets that redstone torch, the system should shut off. And it has. And yeah. If I build a quick floor in here. And I'll put a bed in as well. Go for a classic bed. When we wake up, the system should automatically sort itself out. Okay, so it's now day. The system's triggered. And he's working away on allowing light through. And just like that, you can now see outside. I mean, yeah, with this system here, it kind of ruins the view a bit. But I suppose I could do something about that. Anyways, as said, I've got a fully automated window, so I'll change the time back to night so that you can see how it looks from the inside at night. And I'll do it like this. That way you can see outside and inside. As you can see, the piston feed tape is going about its business. And slowly but surely, the window revealing the light at the back is coming on. Yeah, look at that. And then it should stop about there. By the way, allow me to say, I have looked all over YouTube, all over the internet, seeing if anyone else has done this. And no one has, so this is officially the first of its kind. And yeah, I've been proud of some redstone builds. Heck, I was proud when this thing first worked. I couldn't punch the sky hard enough. By the way, if I can get round to them, you'll see that when the system triggers and the stone cover's there, all these pistons get stuck extended. That's what stops the system. And it's the same on the bottom side. As you can see, I got the redstone blocks here. So when the system gets round here to this redstone torch and passes the system through, these redstone blocks will be pushed up, holding that open. I'll admit it's a bit of a slow system. I could do something about it, but this thing is practically done as it is. So yeah, as said, that has been the piston feed tape window that I've been working on for the past day in total now. And yeah, I'm going to rebuild this. I'll probably put it in that area there. And yeah, I'll see you when that video uploads. Bye bye!